Before you spend anywhere between 15 to 50,000 for a new mattress, you should consider if a mattress topper can solve your issues that you're having with your current mattress at a fraction of the cost. But even mattress toppers have many varieties, and buying the wrong one can yet again spoil your sleep. So let's understand that and more in today's video. I'll be using the SleepyCat mattress toppers for demonstrating the concepts, which SleepyCat kindly shared with me to experience. But like always, experiments that are designed and opinions are my own. Now, a mattress topper is an instant upgrade by adding a layer of comfort or support on top of what you already have without needing you to replace your mattress. But remember, if your mattress is sagging or it is beyond salvaging, a mattress topper cannot bring it back to use. Now, there are many types of mattress toppers in the market: microfiber, memory foam, and latex. Each one solves a different need. One gives softness and one gives firmness. One generates heat while the other allows cooling. If you pick the wrong one, your problem is not solved. But when you pick the right one, your mattress transforms and your sleep improves. Let's start with the latex topper, which gives the best comfort amongst the three types of toppers that I'm comparing today. This SleepyCat natural latex topper is made from natural rubber. If you have a firm mattress and you're looking for support and responsiveness from a mattress, then a latex mattress topper is right for you. If you move a lot at night, then a topper that quickly responds to the movement and shape is important. This topper does just that. If you're someone who sleeps hot, this topper has a pinhole design that circulates air better and hence does not trap heat, and it is breathable. If you're someone that has allergies, this is again the right choice for you as it does not hold dust mites or mold. Now, from a comfort point of view, this latex topper gives you the softness and responsiveness that you need, especially if you move a lot at night. This means it is able to distribute weight evenly and reduce pressure points on your body. This is a gold certified 100% natural latex topper, and natural latex has the best longevity. They last for almost 10 to 15 years. The SleepyCat natural latex topper comes with a removable premium fabric cover that can be washed easily for better hygiene. It also has elastic bands to prevent the topper from moving around. My take: if you don't currently have the budget for a natural latex mattress, a natural latex topper is an alternative. It is a premium investment compared to the other toppers. But if you look at the longevity and the comfort, you will end up spending less per year overall, making it worth the investment. Now, if your mattress is not giving you adequate support and you end up waking up with pain, then your mattress is not being supportive enough. A memory foam mattress topper gives support to your shoulders, hips, and lower back by taking the shape of your body to give support and to distribute your weight evenly instead of letting pressure build up. You can get either a 1-inch or a 2-inch SleepyCat memory foam topper based on your budget and the comfort level you are aiming to achieve. Now, a memory foam topper provides comfort and is cost effective. You should be aware that while memory foam generally traps heat from your body, this SleepyCat memory foam topper is made from AirGen memory foam, which has a better airflow to prevent heat buildup. Like the natural latex topper, the SleepyCat memory foam topper comes with a removable premium fabric cover that can be washed easily for better hygiene. It also has elastic bands to prevent the topper from moving around. My take: if you need more support than your mattress currently is able to provide, this memory foam topper is the best option that gives you comfort at a reasonable price. Now, if you have a hard mattress and want to make it soft, or you want hotel-like comfort at home, then this SleepyCat microfiber mattress topper is right for you. It is really soft and plush. Because it is meant to be soft, when you sit on it, the microfiber shifts to add softness. Microfiber doesn't have memory, so it won't mold to take your body shape like memory foam does. It is machine washable, which makes maintenance quite easy. Because microfiber can move and get clumpy over time, this SleepyCat microfiber topper has a baffle box stitching to keep the microfiber evenly spread across the topper and prevent flat spots over time. And like all SleepyCat toppers, this one has elastic corner straps as well to keep the topper firmly in place. My take: this is a quick fix topper. That is, if you want something soft, you want hotel-like comfort at home, and you want it on a budget. If you want real support, you should consider the memory foam or the latex mattress toppers instead. Now, whether you're a student in a hostel, or you're renting an apartment, or you want to increase the comfort or height of your mattress, a mattress topper can give you an instant upgrade. Let me simplify which topper you should consider. If you want the best or you want the longest lasting topper, you should go for a natural latex topper. If you sleep hot or you have allergies or you want soft responsive comfort, you should go for the natural latex topper. If you struggle from back pain or pressure issues and you want firm comfort, you should go for a memory foam topper. If you want hotel-like soft comfort at home or you want to make your mattress soft, you can go with a microfiber topper. But remember, the topper works only if the mattress is usable. If your mattress is firm, both memory foam and latex work great to get the desired comfort. If your mattress is already soft, adding a soft microfiber topper makes it softer and uncomfortable. All SleepyCat toppers come with a 1-year warranty. You can use the code that you see on screen to get a 5% discount on the SleepyCat website. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2.5 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.